Have you ever found the perfect image for your project, but it's ruined by a giant watermark or an unwanted background? Don't worry, today I've got you covered. Hi beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Myvan B and I help you discover the best free AI tools to make your creative work easier, faster, and more fun. If this sounds good to you, please subscribe to my channel and thank you for coming today. Now, back to the video. Today, I'm showing you how to remove watermarks and backgrounds from any image completely free using an amazing online tool called FlexClip AI. No downloads and no complicated steps, just clean, professional-looking results in seconds. Before we continue, please make sure you own the rights or have permission to use the image before removing any watermark. This tutorial is for educational and fair use purposes only. Always respect the original creator's work. Let's dive in. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to flexclip.com, or just click the link down below in the description, which will take you straight to their website. Once you're there, go ahead and sign up for a free account. It's super quick and straightforward. After you log in, you'll see the homepage. From here, head over to the AI Tools section. That's where the magic happens. Let's start with how to remove watermarks from any image. Now, click on here, AI Tools, and select AI Watermark Remover. Then, upload the image that has the watermark. FlexClip will automatically detect and remove the watermark for you. Just wait a few seconds, and boom! The image looks clean and brand new. Now that the image is clean, it's time to download it. Click here to download and your image will be ready to be used in your computer or phone. And here's our image, before and after. Just look at that difference. It's so clean and professional, right? FlexClip AI did such an amazing job. This tool is honestly one of the best free options out there. By the way, this video is actually part of my series on FlexClip AI, a powerful all-in-one creative tool that has so many amazing features. In this series, I'll be exploring and teaching you step-by-step how to use all of FlexClip's free AI tools, from removing backgrounds and watermarks to creating professional videos, logos, and much more. If you haven't seen my last video, I showed you exactly how to create stunning videos for free using FlexClip AI. I've added the link down below in the description, so go check it out after watching this one. Step 2. Let's remove background. Go back to the AI Tools menu and choose AI Image Background Remover. Upload your image again, and FlexClip AI will instantly cut out the subject, leaving you with a transparent background. Perfect for thumbnails, social media posts, or any creative project. Here's a quick tip. After removing the background, you can also use FlexClip's built-in editor to add new backgrounds, text, or effects, all inside the same website. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know exactly how to remove watermarks and backgrounds from any image for free using FlexClip AI. Pretty cool, right? But don't go too far because my next video is going to be even more exciting. I'll be showing you how to make money online using simple AI tools. Trust me, you don't want to miss that one. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when it drops. And if you'd like me to help you one-on-one or guide you personally through using these tools, you'll find all the details in the description below. Go check it out. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mavumbi, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!